call upon Dr. Tanvi Trivedi to present an article based on an insights of key forms of ambiguities in the database.
Everyone, my name is Dr. Tanvi Trivedi, Assistant Professor, Bhagwan Mahavir, College of Computers Application, Surat, Gujarat. My topic is an insight of key forms of ambiguities in database. As we know that database is the main part of this world now, so we all need pure data. How to find pure data from the distinct type of databases, how to retrieve pure data from different kind of database. So my study is on the database, how to get pure data. So first, as all now, decision or activities are depend on the database. Data arranged for data mining is the key phase of data analysis. Data mining is one of the prospects by which decision makings are committed in very short span. All decisions are always based on available database. So we have different kind of databases available. So in many databases there are no data available. So first of all, I just introduced two terms, outliers and inlier will be introduced in context of data mining. And second, the same way set of approaches will be introduced which try to find the pattern, generate anomalous and irregular values from real world imbalanced database with ambiguities. First, what is the anomalous values? That anomalous values are these values that inlier value, three types of anomalous values. First is inlier, missing values and outliers values. Inliers values that in database we predict the values in between the range that in the table we have. In outliers value, if we think that the value could lies between the max to next level, so in the outlier value there are no kind of values available in databases. And missing values, if in databases some values are not available in our databases, this is called missing values. So we have three types of missing values. First, missing at random, missing completely at random, and missing not at random. What is missing at random? First, we have to identify that what kind of missing values we have in our database. First, missing at random, that data partially missing in the data set, but data points are distributed, scattered in unequal manner. Second, missing completely at random, there is no pattern about the missing values. And third, missing not at random. So there is missing value points are not randomly distributed. So I just want to conclude in my presentation that how to find what is the logic to find the proper pure data from different kind of data from the different values. Although this is a very small part of data mining. Identification of anomalous values and irregular values is the critical section of data mining. The actual identification of factor responsible for ambiguities is the winning factor and direction for taking correct decision through the available data. Thank you.
Thank you very much, ma'am. Any queries from the guest or dignitaries? Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.